In front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here click on date and time. And you can unmark the automatic setup, which is use network provided time, and here you can set date and time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also change the time zone, so just unmark the automatic one and then choose the region and time zone that you want to apply. And this is it. This is how you can manage date and time in your XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just mark those switchers and then date, time and also time zone will be set up automatically. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.